Hello traders, welcome to Wednesday review. We will start with CHF JPY. If you check the weekly chart, we can see that we have an uptrend, but price created lower highs here, reached support, EMA 36 trend line and some previous lows down here and bounced up, so we have a resistance of about 130 pips away. If we go to the daily chart, we can see that we have the trend line resistance broken. We have the same lows here, so it looks like a wedge. Price broke that resistance, created higher high and broke also EMA 36. We didn't get a crossover yet, so you can go to the lower time frames and look for setups here, maybe full hourly. 1 hour it's not so good, so better full hourly. If you don't get the full hourly, then just wait for a daily setups and then target at 130 pips area. GP Australian dollar, on the weekly we have still a main uptrend, but price is still in that wedge in range. Price was bouncing off that resistance trend line where it's now. On the daily you can see those bounces here of about 140 to 100 pips. Price still at resistance, so we may get a strong breakout here and then we can look for some setups over or below. If you're a bounce trader, then just wait for bounce trade signal and target at 120 pips area. Euro JPY, it's similar to CHF JPY. We have still uptrend, but price created lower highs, so it looks like a wedge. Price bounced off support. On the daily it's at resistance now at the EMA and trend line, so price is squeezed between support and resistance now, so we want to see a clear break first and then start looking for setups. New Zealand Canadian dollar, let me delete those lines first. On the weekly we have an uptrend, of course, but we got that weekly 2 to 3 line break. Price moved up a little bit, created spike and moved back down, so it looks like a lower high on the weekly if you get confirmation here. So major support is around 140 pips away, so it makes sense to target that area. On the daily we got a daily trend line break, 1, 2, 3, 4 touches more or less. Price created lower high and it's now at previous low here, so it will be good if price created a little bit lower low and then start looking for setups to target that area. For example, on the full hourly we got lower high but not lower low, so it will be good if price create lower low, retrace back with lower high back to that resistance area, and then if you get confirmation, just target at 170 pips area. USD JPY, on the weekly of course my trend is up, but then price is moving and was moving in that range for months. Price bounced off support again. On the daily you can see that price bounced off support, so what I'm waiting personally is a clear break above that range or below, but if you're a bounce trader, just wait for confirmation on lower time frames or daily chart and then target around 100 pips area. GBP CAT, if you check the weekly chart, we had an uptrend, then price created lower highs here, created also lower low here, but now we got bounced. We got bounced here. Price bounced off support for about 70-80 pips. On the daily, you can see price reached support, moved down 300 pips, moved up 150, so around 50% retracement. So it looks like a lower low, lower high here. But problem is that price is still in that weekly daily range, so it will be good if price broke that area, create lower low, lower high, and then gave us some setup here. Then GPJPY, on the weekly we have an uptrend, but price broke that resistance trend line, created higher point on the chart. We have a resistance of about 500 pips away. On the daily we had that resistance trend line break, price created higher high, higher low, 3 touches support trend line, price confirmed it already created higher point on the chart. So if you're not yet in the trade, you can go to the lower time frames and wait for full hourly higher high, higher low, and then target that resistance line here. And GPCHF, on the weekly we have kind of a channel here, price reached support, resistance. It's strong uptrend, so if you're interested in price created higher high, higher low, bounced off support, broke daily 2 to 3 line, so resistance is about 70 to 100 pips. So if you're interested, just wait for some setups over that resistance and target that resistance. Okay, those are all pairs on the watch list and with trades running, so have a good week and we catch up soon. Bye.